I have another review for you guys today. This is the Motorcyclehouse Vikingcycle women's leather motorcycle vest. This is the Vikingcycle women's motorcycle vest. It isn't a zip, it's a button, which I actually really like the accents of the buttons. They're very cute. Some nice feminine detailing, 2 pockets on the outside, and some very cute, let's see, some very cute detailing on the edge. I was actually thinking I might replace these at some point with like a different color or something for just an accent pop of a color. This is it from the back. Again from the front. It's very hard to kind of do this and record at the same time. If I had like a whole extra set of hands, that would be great. So, moving on to the interior, we have 2 interior pockets. They both snap, just like the same one, just like they do on the outside. These snap also. And they are actually a pretty good size. The ones on the inside are even bigger, one on both sides, so definitely will not have any problems with storage. I would say, again, on par with the styling, kind of like their jacket. I will put links down below to their website so you guys can check it out on your own.